Hi guys, and welcome for a new video. In today's video is going to be a vlog. That will be my first vlog here on this channel. And yeah, I'm currently here in my studio. I have my new artwork here that you saw on my last video, and the older one here that I will put in my living room by the time it gets sold. I'm currently doing refurbishing a new furniture that I got from my grandparents' house. This is an old furniture that I really love, and I've used it as a child, so I thought, why not put this one in my living room? So I will show you where it will go. The only thing that lasts is to paint the doors. Let me show you. So I've choose a matte beige color for the doors. I will show you the rest of the furniture as soon as I've made the doors. I like to use a little roller like that, paint roller. It's easier and you get a beautiful finish with it. So I've sent the entire furniture, and now I will paint everything. It was really easy to paint, but the color it's a little bit transparent, so I will need to put another coat on it, but so far I really like it. Okay, so while I was painting the first coat of paint, the mailman knocked to my door because I've received my new easel. It is a wood easel. I will show you. I will put the easel just right here, so I don't have to put my artwork on the walls. And yeah, so I will show you when I will build it, because it came like that. I have many pieces of wood to assemble, but normally it's pretty easy to assemble, so I will show you after that. I will let my paint dry and apply a second coat, because I don't know if you will see, but it is not perfectly perfect, so I will put a second coat of paint. Okay. I will now let this paint dry and assemble my new easel. It was pretty easy, but time consuming. So I finished the assemble of my new easel here. You see, I really like it. It's going to be perfect. I need to change the space because it is a little bit larger than I thought, so I will need to change the space a little bit. I will do the second coat. Sorry, I will do the second coat on these two doors, and I will install them. I will show you after that what it will look like on my living room. But yeah, this easel is really amazing, and I really like it. I can put some paint here and pots, and I can use this. I need to buy a little trolley or something to just put another paint in my paint palette on it. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this easel. And let's do the second coat. So I'm back. I took my lunch and I've let my door dry for like 3 hours, and I've already installed them. As you see here, I will start a new artwork for my exhibition next week. I will show you everything of what I will do. And yeah, I really like my new easel. Okay, I will show you downstairs in the living room how my new furniture is and my new artwork on it. So let me show you here. Here is my living room. I try to show you the room. I've painted the walls dark blue because obviously I love blue. And here is my little cabinet here, entirely refurbished and repaint and with my new artwork on it. I need to hang this artwork directly on the wall because it's looking weird now. I don't like the how it is, but I don't want to put some screws or nail in the wall. I will see if I can do something because obviously this one will not stay long if I sold this artwork. But yeah, you have a little key, and for now it is empty, but yeah, it is empty now, but I'm sure I will find something to put on it, in it, sorry. And yeah, here it is, my living room. I've just put some a little artwork here, and I will see to put new artwork here, here, and yeah, here it needs something. I will change this furniture here. I don't like this one. But yeah, here is my living room. Um, it's time for me to say you goodbye, and I wish you all a nice day. I hope you've liked this new type of video. I will certainly do more vlogs um, on my channel just because I like to show you everything. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.